Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use AI generated image. You might have seen a lot of people posting different kind of pictures on their WhatsApp status or on their social media platform. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do this as well. You don't have to go and spend a lot of money on dressing, on buying bags, on doing a lot of things. All you have to do is to download this app. So I'm going to be telling you the name of these apps at the end of this video. Just calm down, watch this video from the beginning to the end. So guys, all what you have to do now is to log into your app and I will show you the process. So I'm going to be showing you how to generate beautiful image like this, like this, and like this, and like this. Can you just see the image, how beautiful they are? So guys, now download the app on your phone and log into the app like this. Just calm down, I will tell you the name of it at the end of this video. So guys, once you are on the app, just scroll down like this. If you see any image of your choice, any image that you like, you can just click on the image. So I'm going to be using this image. Let me just say, let me use this one. Let me use this image. Let me use this. So guys, using this, so all what you have to do now is to just choose any picture of your choice. Just choose any picture of your choice on your phone. Just make sure you are choosing the one that is very clear and bright. So I'll be choosing this one. My picture is loading. So it's telling me to choose if I'm a female or a male. So I'm a female, and it said I should choose the hairstyle I would love to appear with. So let me just choose this one. I love this. I'll be choosing this one. So guys, watch this video from the beginning to the end. And so it says proceed. Let me proceed. So it's loading and loading. So guys, can you see how I'm appearing? Can you see how beautiful I'm looking? So guys, this is how to use AI image generated. Let me choose one of this picture and let you guys to see it. Can you see it? I love this. See this. See beautiful mama. Can you see something? I will download this. I'm going to be choosing another one. Let me choose this one here. So it has been downloaded on my phone. If I want to download whole, I can just click on this that says download the whole pack. So yeah, I've downloaded all the image here. So guys, I love this image. I'm going to be showing you the name of this app that I'm using now. Let me show you the second one. I said it in the beginning of this video. I said I'm going to be using two apps for this AI image generator. So I'm going to show you the second app that I'm going to be using right here. So this is the second app I'm going to be using, and this second app you have to be careful about it. That is why I said make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. You can actually use this app, but on this app you're going to be paying here, but they will give you a free trials of 7 days. You're going to be having 7 days free trials. So now I want to try the free trials. I have put in my card details, but I cannot use this app. The reason why I can't use this app is that it is not allowed in my country region. I've actually put in my card details, and if you are using this in Nigeria, they are going to be charging you, as at when I'm making this video, they'll be charging you 2,500 every week for using this app. So let me know the country that you are in, so that when I can actually search for the best one for you. So tell me the name of the country that you are in the comment section. As for me, I'm in Benin Republic, so let me know your country region so that you can see the best AI image generated from me. So guys, thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. So once you have put in your card details, if you want to just cancel it, you can cancel it. Once you have used this for 3 days and you don't want to pay anything, just go directly and cancel it. So guys, the name of the app I'm actually telling you is this. So let me show you the name of the app here. So The name of the app is called Photolab, and the name of the second app is called Remini app. So guys, just go to your Google Play Store like this and type in Photolab like this. So it's going to bring it out. I already have it on my phone. Just download it on your phone. This one is free. It's free. So, but on this Remini app is not free. You just have only 7 days trial. Remini app. Just type it in like this, and it's going to show like this. Can you just see? So I already have this app on my phone. I can just update it. So if you don't want to use these apps anymore, you can just go and unsubscribe from them. If you have put in your card details on this Remini app, you can just go and unsubscribe, and I will show you how you can unsubscribe from this Remini app. This is all what you have to do. Let me just click here. You can see where it says where my profile is showing, and just scroll down like this. Do you understand me? You can scroll down. If you don't see anything, just come up like this where it says payment and subscription. You just click on it. So click on payment method. You can see it. Click on where it says payment method. You can see my card details here. So I want to cancel it. I don't want them to charge me. So I'll just click on cancel, or let me just click on more options, more payment settings. I just want to show you guys how to cancel this. That's why I'm doing this video. So in case you have put in your card details, you know how to cancel it here. So guys, it's loading. Yeah, this is the card details. So I want to remove it. You can see where it says remove. So this is exactly how you're going to remove your card details from Remini app. You just click on remove. So I don't have any subscription with them anymore. I don't have any payments record. You can see. So I'm removing it permanently. So if you want to use this again, you have to go put it in again. Do you understand me? So guys, thank you for watching this video from the beginning to end. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know the country that you are into in the comment section. So thank you. Bye guys. Bye bye.